Usually when we talk about spacecraft, we tend to focus on those that have visited the moon or other planets. But actually we've sent probes out to all sorts of other places in our solar system as well. My name is Anna, I'm one of the astronomers from the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, and today I'm going to be talking about some missions that have visited comets. The first spacecraft ever to visit a comet was originally designed and launched as one of 3 satellites, aiming to study how the stream of charged particles released from the sun, known as the solar wind, interacts with the Earth's magnetic fields. Once this first mission was complete though, the craft was given a second mission to study how that solar wind interacts with a cometary atmosphere. After 20 maneuvers and gravity assists and around 3 years of travelling through space, the now renamed International Cometary Orbiter, or ICE, completed a flyby of a comet called 21P Giacobini-Zinner in September 1985. Debris from this comet is responsible for the Draconids meteor shower, visible in the northern hemisphere every October. Several other spacecraft have flown past comets for closer observations too, but NASA's Stardust mission took this to a whole other level. As it flew past the comet 81P Wild, or Wild 2, in January 2004, Stardust collected some particles from its coma, the cloud of typically ice and dust that surrounds the core or nucleus of a comet. The spacecraft then delivered these samples successfully to Earth in 2006 so they could be analysed. But by far the most impressive cometary mission was the European Space Agency's Rosetta. This space probe reached the comet 67P Churyumov-Gerasimenko in August 2014, and then spent a few months manoeuvring itself closer before deploying a lander called Philae. This craft was the first to ever successfully soft land on a comet. Despite only being active for a couple of days, Philae taught us more about the possible ways that water and life may have come to Earth.